Hello guys, so now so quickly I want to tell you how to do the P2P verification on Sidra Shin. So it is very simple. This is two phones now, and these are two accounts that they've already done their P2P verification. Now if you look at this place, you see under verification, or this place too, it is under verification. It means they've already passed the process. Now let me show you how to do it. Now let's assume um this account here was referred by this one. Now you can do P2P together. You can do it with your upline or the people you refer, your referrals. Now how do you go about it? You just come to your, after you see the interface like this, just come to your wallet here and click on send. Now what you'll be searching here is the username of this other account. You can see this Michael Martins, the one in the middle. That's the username you are going to search in this other account. You click on it. Now it's already there. This is it. You click on it, then you click on search. Can you see now the account is already out? It means they've done it already. Now you click on the account. Now this account is already popping up here. Then you click on P2P. Now you see, now this is where you now request for verification. Now how do you accept it in the other account? Now you click on this P2P verification icon here. You see now, so it's ready to accept. They've already done it before. That's why it's writing successful. Now how do you do it? You click on request. See, after you request, it will pop up here that you accept. Now you accept. After you accept, then you come here, this same account. After this one might have accepted, you come back to here and you click on, after you accepted, you click on refresh. Then after yes, can you see it here? Now this one you will refresh it. Do you see now? You click on accept here. Then you click on personal ID. Then you click on confirm here.
After loading.
Yes, after loading, you allow it to load.
Don't refresh it yet.
Don't refresh. You don't refresh this one yet. You allow this one to load.
You keep waiting.
You keep on waiting.
It's for the benefits now.
Yes, you allow it to load. You understand? So don't refresh this one yet until this one is successful.
Yes. But if you just say we are cut it so that this thing we started reading.
So guys, at this junction you will discover that this account already, it has referred the other account. So there's nothing can be done. I can't refer him for P2P again. So you allow it to load according to your own account. Allow it to load, and after it has loaded and it has been successful on this other account, then you click on refresh on this one and take note of the seconds. After it has been refreshed, then that is all. After refreshment, you see a video will pop up that you should do a short video of yourself and you send to this other account. That's how it works, and that's how you finish your KYC. And after you've done the 5 seconds video, then you send it. That's all, and it will be confirmed immediately. So that's all. That is it, guys. I think this video will help you to an extent. Thank you very much.